Okay. Shalom. My name is Schneider. I want to talk about Giur. And basically, I think there's a mistake that people think that the Beis Din is passive. That the Beis Din is just like witnessing the fact that the potential ger is taking upon himself the mitzvahs, Kabbalah mitzvahs, and he's doing tevilah. And I don't think it's so, because the question is, why do you need a Beis Din? If it's just a question of chalois, like you have by Kedushin, chalois of issues, so two Eidim are enough, right?
Yes.
And the question is, if the Beis Din is just witnessing to the fact that the ger has taken upon himself the mitzvahs and that he's titled himself, so why do you need a Beis Din? What's the difference? So I think the difference is that the Beis Din is not passive. The Beis Din is active. The Beis Din is making the giur. It has to be understood. By the Kedushin, the man is making the chalois, right? Yikach, right? He's taking the woman, and the Eidim are just there to Adama Shabeba needs two Eidim, so they're there to help make the chalois, but it's not being done by them, so they're passive. But by Giur, the Beis Din is making the Giur, right? The ger, he can't make himself a ger, right? The guy can't make himself a ger. The Beis Din is doing it. So this has to be understood, that the Beis Din is making the Giur, and basically that's the story, that the Am Yisrael has the power to take into itself people that were not born Jewish, from a Jewish mother, and the Beis Din is the representative of the Am Yisrael, and the Beis Din is making the Giur, and that's it. And even if there's a condition that the Beis Din should not do it unless the Goy says that he's mekabel himself the mitzvahs. But if they did it, if there was a mitzvah of bris, and there was a mitzvah of tefillah, and the Beis Din was there at the tefillah, so Goy becomes a ger. Thanks to the Beis Din, they did it. And it makes no difference. Kabbalah mitzvahs is just like the Beis Din is not supposed to be mekabel somebody immediately. They're supposed to push him away. There's conditions. What the Beis Din is supposed to do, they're supposed to push him away, and they're supposed to hear that he's mekabel the mitzvahs. Eventually, when they feel that it's ready, that he's ready, they make the decision. But it's their power. They make the chalois, and therefore all these giurim that the super Orthodox rabbis are questioning, it's not true. It cannot be questioned. If three kosher Jews were there and said, Mazel Tov, you're a Jew, he's a Jew. It's up to the Beis Din to decide. I want to bring a proof to this from a sugya in Maseches Yevamos, Daf Zayin Amud Beis, where it's discussed the question, if a goy makes Kedushin, right? So there's a problem that maybe he's from the Aseret HaShvat, and maybe his mother's mother, going back 50 generations, was Jewish, and therefore he's Jewish. So his Kedushin is Taiflis. And that's what happens, that Rabbi Yehuda says in the name of Rabbi Asi that we're choishes. If a guy went over to a Jewish girl and he gave her the peruta and she was masking and there were witnesses, the only problem is he's a guy, he's a Chinaman or whatever. So we're choishes that maybe he comes from the Aseret HaShvatim, and it's a problem. But, and Daf Zayin Amud Aleph, Shmuel says Sham Ad She'asom Goyim Gemurim. He says that they were made, the Asos HaShvatim were made into total Goyim. So even this person has a Ksav Yichus showing us that his mother's going all the way back was from the tribe of Ephraim. It's totally worthless. He's a Goy. Now, Rashi doesn't say anything about it. There seems to be a big finish over here that whoever it was and whenever it was, Asher, son, going to do, how can you make a Jew into a Goy? Is there such a process? Rashi doesn't explain. And as a matter of fact, even the Rambam doesn't bring it. He doesn't bring the whole story about this Goy with Mekadosh Nisa. The Meiri, I quote the Meiri now, the Meiri says, on this sugya, in Yevamos, Daf Zayin Amud Aleph, he says, and I quote, Ad shebeistin shebeoisoi hador, asoim kigoyim gemurim, shelo liyoisem bichlal dine Yisrael klal. Umikan hoyu k'tzas aboisoi chovachem lomar, shekol mishumad bizman hazeh goy gomor hu, ve'ein chosheshim l'kedushav. And then he brings more about the story of Chalitza, that Mishumad he brings from the Ashkenaz that the Shita, that the known Shita that a Mishumad and it falls, his brother's wife falls before him for Yibum. You don't have to give Chalitza. The Yibum is not Chav. Okay, so what do we see over here? That the Meiri is saying that the Beis Din at that time said all the thousands and thousands of sons of Israel who are from Ephraim and Asher and all the 10 tribes, they're going. The Beis Din made them into going. What do we see here? It's make or break. This is exactly the flip side of the Giur. The Giur is done by Beis Din. That's how the Giur is called. They make a goy into a Yehudi. And the opposite is also possible. The Beis Din can make a Yehudi into a goy. As a matter of fact, the Meiri says the boy's side said that somebody who converts to Christianity is a goy, and his Kedushim are not priceless. Now, this is a big finish. So, this goes to prove my thesis that it's all up to Beis Din. Whatever Beis Din says this guy is a Yehudi, he's a Yehudi. Beis Din says this Yehudi is a guy, he's a guy. A Meshumad in the 1300s, 1400s, today, according to the Shita, somebody who converts to Christianity cannot make Kedushin. And even more than that, his wife is free to remarry because her husband became a goy, and a goy cannot have issues on a Jewish woman. Therefore, I say, any man who refuses to give a get, all these very, very nasty people who refuse to give a get to their wives and make them agunot, the Beis Din should tell them, give a get in a year or we will declare you a goy. You'll be a goy. You touch wine, will be a nesach. You want to do tshuva, you have to make gavus. That's what the Beis Din should do. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, Rab Schneider. Thank you very much. And
okay.